protons and neutrons. Next, we are going to discussing about the orbit versus orbital. What is mean by orbit? What is mean by orbital? Orbitals we are called as these energy levels or shells also. Okay, orbit means the path in which electrons are revolving around the nucleus is called as orbit. The path in which electrons are revolving around the nucleus is called as orbit. This is the nucleus. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus is called as what is that? Orbit. What is meant by orbital means the region where probability of finding electron is maximum. The region where probability of finding electron is maximum is called as orbital. This is the orbital. This is called as what is that? Orbit. The path in which electrons are revolving around the nucleus is called as orbit. Where the probability of finding electron is maximum is called as orbital. In an orbit, maximum number of electrons in an orbit is more than 2. Maximum number of electron is more than 2. Here in orbital, maximum number of electron is 2. Maximum number of electrons is 2. That means each orbital contains maximum 2 electrons. Orbit having more number of electrons. How to calculate the number of electrons present in the orbital? What is the formula means? 2n square. How to calculate the number of electrons present in an orbit? Formula is 2n square. How to calculate the number of electrons present in an orbital is n square. For example, n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 means first orbit. How many electrons are present in the first orbit means 2 into 1 square. How many electrons? 2 electrons. N is equal to means second orbit. Second orbit means 2 into 2 square. How many? 2 into 4 is equal 8 electrons present in the second orbit. Same like this third orbit, n is equal to 3. 2 into 3 square. 2 into 9. Total how many? 18 electrons. In first orbit means this is also we are called as K shell, L shell, M shell like this. Okay. Maximum number of electrons present in an orbit. What is the formula? 2n square. First orbit means 2 into 1 square is equal 2. Only 2 electrons present in first orbit. In second orbit, 2 into 2 square. Total 8 electrons present in second orbit. N is equal to 3 means third orbit. Total 8 electrons is there. Like this, you have to go and calculate for the number of electrons present in an orbit. Next, we are going to discussing about the types of orbital. Types of orbital. Total we have 4 types of orbitals: S, P, D, F. These were also called as subshells also. S subshell, P subshell, D subshell and F subshell. First, S orbital. Shape of S orbital is spherical. Shape of S orbital is spherical. Like this, spherical. Shape of S orbital is spherical. This is a non-directional. S orbital is non-directional. Non-directional means what is that? Electron density is equal in all directions. Equal in all directions. Electron density is equal in all directions. For example, you can take any one cricket ball. When you rotate that, you can finding electron density is equal in all directions. When is equal in all directions, that is we are called as what is that? Non-directional. The electron density here, any place under electron density is equal. Electron density is equal means that is called as non-directional. Nodal planes. In s orbital is nodal planes is 0. Nodal plane means electron density is 0. Nodal plane means where it is electron density is 0, that is called as nodal plane. Where it is electron density is 0 means that is called as nodal plane. In this spherical shape, all places having electron density, that means there is no nodal planes in s orbital. S orbital is a spherical shape, non-directional and nodal planes. In s orbital is only one orbital is present. In s subshell having only one orbital. That orbital is maximum how many electrons? 2 electrons. Maximum how many electrons? 2 electrons. Next, p orbital. P orbital shape is dumbbell shape. P orbital shape is dumbbell shape. Dumbbell shape. P orbital is the directional. P orbital is the directional. Okay, in p orbital nodal planes is 1. One nodal plane. Nodal planes is 1. In p subshell having 3 types. One is px, py and pz. P subshell having 3 orbitals. One is px orbital, second one is py orbital, third one is pz. In px orbital, like this will be there. This is x-axis. Only electron density is present on the x-axis. There is no present on the y and z-axis. Only electron density is present on the x-axis. There is no present on the yz plane. That means what is the nodal plane is yz. Yes, nodal plane means what is that? Electron density is 0. In yz plane there is no electron density. Only electron density is present on the x-axis. That means yz is the nodal plane. In same py also. Electron density is present in the y. There is no present in the x and z. There is no present in the x and z. That means what is the nodal plane? X. Next, pz also. In pz, electron density is present in the z axis. There is no here x and y axis. Here what is the nodal plane is xy. What is the nodal plane is xy. P orbital is p subshell is converted into 3 orbitals. One is px, py, pz. Maximum number of how many electrons? 6 electrons should be filled in p orbital. In s orbital, maximum number of how many electrons? 2 electrons. Next, d orbital. D orbital is the double dumbbell shape. This is also directional. Double dumbbell shape and directional. Nodal planes are 2. Nodal planes is 2. Okay, double dumbbell means you know that like this. This is the double dumbbell shape. In D subshell, he is converted into 5 orbital. One is dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. D subshell having 5 1, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. dxy. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Nodal planes are the. Here see, electron density is present between the x and y axis. There is no present between the y, z and z axis. These two are the nodal planes. Electron density is present between the x and y axis, xy. There is no present between the y, z and z axis. These two are the nodal planes. Next, dyz. dyz also. This is y axis, this is z axis. Electron density is present in the y and z axis. There is no present between the x, z and xy or yx. Next, same like the zx, x and z. Here also electron density is present between the x and z axis. There is no between the z and y, x. There is no between the y, z and xy. In dx square, y square, this is x axis, y axis, like this is there. dx square y square also two nodal planes is there like this, but there is no names for here. Here also two nodal planes. In dz square is the baby suit. Actually is the d orbital is the 4 lobes are there. 2 lobes is converted into one ring. Remaining 2 lobes like this is there. This is called as baby suit structure dz square. Here nodal planes is 0. Nodal planes is 0. Okay, d subshell having how many orbitals? 5 orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each orbital maximum 2 electrons. Total maximum number of electrons how many? 10 electrons. Next, f orbital. F orbital is a leaf-like structures. There is no leaf-like structures. We are not discussing about that. But in F shell is having 7 orbitals. F shell having 7 orbitals. That 7 is each orbital having maximum 2 electron means F shell having F orbital having maximum number of electrons 14 electrons. These are the types of orbitals: s orbital, p orbital, d orbital and f orbital. Next we are going to discussing about the quantum numbers.